To our beloved parents and guardians, thank you for your unwavering support. Your encouragement and guidance have been instrumental in the shaping the success of our students. Your presence here today is a reflection of your commitment to their education and growth. To our dedicated faculty, ma'am, sir, thank you for being the guiding lights on this educational journey of our students. Your passion and commitment have molded our students into the individuals they are today. We are grateful for your tireless efforts and the impact you have made on our students' lives.
You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Consider yourself extremely lucky because you are among the honorees today out of the more than 1,000 criminal justice education students. You are the center of attention in today's ceremony. You did an extremely good job. That's why you are part of this academic year's cream of the crop. Congratulations! Put your hands together. Let us celebrate. Congratulate ourselves. Alam natin na kung anong saya ng mga mag-aaral sa kanilang tagumpay sa ngayong araw nito na nakamtan, doble pa roon ang kasiyahan ang ating mga magulang. Another school year has come to a close, and it is once again time to look back at the accomplishments and milestones you have achieved in the last number of years or 1 year of your educational journey in this school. Today, we celebrate that you are all moving onto the next phase of your life with flying colors, having done that necessary work, attitude, passed the requisite exams, and put in the time and effort in an extraordinary way to learn and to prepare yourself for the eventual responsibilities of your adult life. We also recognize, of course, among you who have shown exemplary performance and reward the extra hard work and perseverance you have invested to stand out among the students of our students, your peers, for indeed in life, not only in school life, we reap what we sow. An important lesson we should inculcate in our minds that all good things in life come with hard work, determination, and dedication. Remember that there are no shortcuts to any place worth going. I believe in the importance of the theme the College of Criminal Justice Education has chosen for this year's recognition exercises, quote, upholding integrity, inspiring excellence, a celebration of criminal justice achievers, unquote. It reminds us that education is our investment, our parents' investment, our guardians' investment in yourselves, in ourselves, and the only inheritance our parents can bequeath upon us that cannot be taken away. Indeed, education is the greatest equalizer. No matter what circumstance your education, the one thing that will either keep you on a level playing field or will give you any advantage to succeed in life. As they say, a successful life will guarantee us that you will form part a major role in the unity of our people. to be the partners of the new Philippines. Now, more than ever, as our country and the rest of the world is in the grip of pagkawatak-watak or the absence of the true spirit of unity, we should put a premium in our education. I congratulate you all, especially your parents or guardians, for making sure that you're able to go to school. But I still recognize, of course, those without even the support of the parents and other benefactors. You have gone through great sacrifice, maybe as a working student in the school itself, in summer college, or working during daytime, and you find extra time to finish your criminal justice education degree. For making sure that those, especially with financial difficulty, is not an excuse for you not to be able to attend classes. I know for some, if not most of us, these days are difficult times financially. But I must emphasize the importance of not sacrificing our education, even to your future families. No matter how difficult, it is important to make sure that our schooling, children's schooling, is provided for and remains our top priorities. I believe the three basic necessities of food, shelter, and clothing, but also should include the fourth, that is education. It's not work. And well, too much about these hard times or difficulties, for this too shall pass. For as long as we need ourselves and keep it strong in our faith, that good Lord will always provide us for our needs and inspiration to succeed. And as long as we continue to do our best, we will be okay. And to the parents, especially those who are around, I salute you in gratitude. Now, to our teachers, for your continued education and commitment to our students. I thank you for you have chosen to be part of Summer College as a home, second home for you, in spite of the fact that there are higher salaries in other agencies. To you, our teachers, I salute you also and gratitude. And of course, to you, our honor students, I double salute you. Again, congratulations. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you.